My name's John Erickson, living and working here in Los Angeles, California. I'm 6 feet tall. Have you been injured at work in the last 60 days? Do you feel like your employer and their insurance company are depriving you of medical care and paid time off to recover? Part-time and full-time employees, listen up. Having an attorney advocate for your rights is essential to getting the care and compensation the law allows. We fight for our clients' right to disability, extended medical care, and even large settlements when employers prevent them from filing claims. Your employer may not even be aware of how to file all the required forms for medical care, disability, unemployment, or insurance claims. At Gonzalez & Barnes, we will work with your employer on your behalf to make sure you receive everything the law requires. And if your employer is preventing you from getting the help you need, we can help with that too. Call Gonzalez & Barnes now for a free consultation. Tell us about your situation, and we can tell you in just a few minutes how we can help. Don't make the mistake of representing yourself. Call Gonzalez & Barnes today for a free consultation. And take the first step in recovering what you deserve.